We covered the theming and customization of Linux. In this part, I will teach you how to install software applications and set up screen recorder and also gaming applications like Steam, Heroic Launcher, and to also the most important thing, people have been also asking me to teach them on how to install and run games from these two trusted sources, so I'll also teach them how to do it. First, I'll teach you how to install a software application. So there are two ways, and there are also two types of packages. One is the native packages which you get from the Pacman repositories, and the other one is from Flatpak. So Flatpak apps are essentially apps which are sandboxed, and Flatpaks have a slight advantage over native binaries because they come with all the dependencies, and so you don't have any issues like crashes or etc. There are two ways that you can install Flatpak and native applications. I'll just take you on the easy route, but this is not the method I use. I install native applications through terminal and Flatpak through the Discover software store. Since you are new to Linux and Arch Linux, I'll keep the Discover store as the front end to install both the native and Flatpak applications. So open your terminal and install sudo pacman-s Flatpak and package kit-qt6. So it is installed. After that, open your Discover Software Center. So it already says that native applications Discover is not recommended. You install it through terminal, but it's not a big issue. You can just switch from native to Flatpak if you want. For example, Firefox. So from Arch Linux means that from the Pacman repository, and if you select here, it shows FlatHub. You can also install the FlatHub version. Okay, now the best screen recorder for Linux, if you ask, is not OBS. It's actually this one, GPU screen recorder. I already have the native application. I'm using this to record this footage right now. It is similar to NVIDIA Shadowplay, where you can use hotkeys to capture the last few minutes or so. And it comes with this UI also, the same UI which the Shadowplay has. And now we have already installed the gaming applications like Launcher, Heroic Launcher, Steam, etc. Okay, let's install an example application from here. What do I want? Yes, we want the Shad PS4 emulator for to play Bloodborne. Let's install that. Shad PS4. Here it is. It's only available in FlatHub. It's not on the. I think it's on the UR, but the version is very outdated. So let's install. So while that is installing, let's boot up Heroic and Steam. And also, if you want to install other various runners, you can install Proton Up Qt. You can install this and select, as you can see, select the Steam version and select the Proton version. I installed Proton G natively on my system, so it auto updates. When I install from this, I have to update it every single time. So I don't use this. I have showed you how to install it on natively. Okay, now I have some old games like GTA, San Andreas, and Need for Speed, which are which I have downloaded from the trusted sites. I'll show you how to run those games. So let's boot up. And before you add any game, go to Wine Manager and install this one, G Proton Latest. and Wine G latest. Since I already have Proton natively on my system, I'll just be adding games. So library, add game, let's say wine setting. What wine do we have? So I have Proton CashOS and Proton G Custom. I'll go with Proton G Custom and I'll select the executable GTA San Andreas. This GTA is also modded. I modded this on Linux, so all the mods also work like Clio. So if you want to install setup, just type the name, and before finishing, or don't select this and don't select this, check run installer first, and it will take you to the setup, and go to the setup.exe and run. I highly recommend you go with Proton runner and not with Wine runner. Proton comes with most library included. So finish. Just let's play a game. Okay, well, it took some time to boot. I think because of the first time it's booting. So as you can see, I have Clio. Okay, as you can see, it's working. My mouse is also working. It's very smooth.
I need your bike.
Okay. Before that, we'll run Steam. Okay, as you can see, I have logged into my Steam account. Go to Steam settings and compatibility and enable this. Enable the FPS counter, which is Mango HUD. Type Go overlay. It will show up. Press global enable. Enter your password. Save. And go to visual and enable hide by default. Shift 12 to open. Select the main GPU and you need to restart your system for it to take effect. So now we'll run Bloodborne using SharedPS4. Before that, we need some patches. We'll download it from Nexus Mods. So this patch contains the 1080p resolution patch. Other patches, the default patches do not contain them. So this is the patch. So the directory of the SharedPS4 will be at any Flatpak applications user files will be at .var app and SharedPS4 and data SharedPS4 and patches. We'll close this. We'll run SharedPS4. Select the directory. Okay, the game is loaded. Patches. The patches are working. As you can see, it's working. The Mango Hut, the FPS counter is not able to capture this game. I think it's because of the SharedPS4 is a Flatpak package, so I think it does not have permission. Okay, as you can see, it is pretty smooth. So I'm playing it on 1080p, that's why there are some micro stutters. Other than that, if you play on 720p, I think there will be no stutters.